Since 2002, Interoceanica offers complete solutions in integrated logistics and freight forwarding, providing high performance in its operations in the most diverse fields. We are a proudly Brazilian company, internationally recognized for the quality of our services in the special cargo industry with results proven by the market. In our processes, we combine decades of experience with creativity and innovation to offer customized logistics solutions according to the needs of each client. As a multimodal transport operator, Interoceanica offers global coverage of door-to-door services taking care of all transport stages and guaranteeing security in operations through the credentials required by regulatory institutions such as DUNS number ISO 9001-2015 and IATA, International Air Transport Association. Our solutions cover the following services: container shipping and consolidated loose cargo, solid and liquid bulk cargo, project cargo, chartering, barge transportation, terminal service for storage of various types of cargo, pipe and tube management, air transportation, dangerous goods, rail transport, among others. In order to offer high-performance logistics solutions to our customers, we have a highly trained and experienced team. Extensive knowledge of the rules and processes make the Interoceanica team the ideal partner whatever the logistical challenge. Count on Interoceanica and add high performance to your logistics. Interoceanica, beyond the ocean.